Guys, I'm back. Just took a loss on this one, a 1 hour charge when this long idea did not work out. Now I'm looking for a potential short. Flipping my bias coming in here. It turns out that that resistance area, that zone, was as powerful as it was yesterday, or at least for now. I'm going to see if we can get a retest here and a resourceful entry. We'll see. I'm going to drop this down to the 30-second chart here, guys, just for a little bit more detail. You see that there? It's a 30-second chart on the right-hand side. All right, guys. Sell stop order right there. Stop above. Very aggressive here. This is an aggressive reversal of momentum, in my opinion. So we have rejected handily from that resistance zone there. 2 equal body highs, and then breaking down below multiple candles here on the 30-minute chart. And these are pretty small, fairly insignificant candles, but they count. Certainly here on the open. Of course, below EMAs, 9 below the 21, below the open range, break and retest on an impulse and corrective. And now, of course, I need to see us break below here, the pivot area, right, in order to even consider a short. This will be an automatic order if we break down to get a quick drive down for a 1 hour. Get that 1 hour charge back that I had here trying to go long. And I'm in, guys. And I'm in. Short the NASDAQ. Second trade of the day. First one was a long. Took a 1 hour charge. The second one is a short, going the other way, of course. Daily looking more indecisive now, of course. Got a little doji happening there. That's to be expected given what we're seeing here on the lower time frames, of course, as well. All right, guys, we're back here, driving down a little bit. We have news in 2 minutes. At 10 o'clock, it's 9:58, and in my experience, even though this is red folder news, it's not generally a huge mover in my experience. Could be wrong today, but I'm not doing anything with my stop loss. I'm just going to leave this thing and let it play out, given that I'm already about 0.5 R in profits. We will see if that cushion is enough to save me here and or give it enough room to drive to the promised land. I want to make it clear that if this was CPI or PPI or FOMC interest rates, I would definitely not be in this trade if that news release was coming out. So just to differentiate between the two. And there it is, guys. Just had to wait a little bit. Even with that news, the weakness just continued after a slight flurry. And there's 1 hour. So now break even on the day after a 1 hour loss going long. Taking the short below the open range, below EMAs, zone reversal, very pointed reversal that took me out of my longs, and now we have broken yesterday's low on the daily, and that to me, guys, is fairly important. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. We'll talk soon.